press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello all, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am going to continue the last class lesson where we have stopped about letter writing, is it? So we all, you know that in the last class we have learned about how to write formal letters and how it is important to write letters. So in the purpose of business, traders and communication and government and public sectors, public and non-public sectors and private sectors. So these letters are very important. That is called as a formal letters. So here we have four types of formal letters, that is complaint letters, enquiry letters, letters for placing an order, letters to the editor. Okay, so these are the four types of letters we see in this formal letters, is it? So in the last class we discussed only one thing, that is the complaint letters. So today I am going to continue the next type, that is the enquiry letters. Okay, so what is this enquiry letter? Let's see here. So enquiry letter is it is a letter when it is written when a person wants to get a more information about a product or a services. So during that we can write a letter. So when a person when a person wants information to get a more information about a product or any kind of services, so they can write this kind of a letter, that is called this is called enquiry letters. So this is not a complaint letters. So this is the enquiry letter. They get a more information. Okay. So this is the definition of this enquiry letter. Let's see about the format of this enquiry letter. Okay. So what is the format? So I have already told you what are the steps to follow when we start writing a letters. Okay. So in the last class we have come to know about the several steps to write formal letters. Okay. So now here we are going to see that what is the format we are following to write enquiry letters. Okay, let's see here with some of the examples. So here we have a format. Okay, so here we have question means it's about a enquiry. Okay, it's about an enquiry statement. So here it is. You are Samrat or a student. Okay, you are a Samrat or a Sanvi, or you take any name. So you are a student of class 10th or 9th, a resident of Mumbai. You are interested in learning French. Okay, if you are living in Mumbai, you wanted to learn French. In some of the Mumbai schools, so they are also giving an opportunity to learn French language. Okay, so French language and also some other kind of languages. There are some of the colleges and universities are there which they provide the other language learning opportunities. Okay, even the services. If you are living in Mumbai, so you will get the chance to read French. Okay, in some of the colleges. So here you are interested in learning French in your summer vacations. So if you wanna means here first I will see about this. So here if you wanna write as a student, if you wanna learn more about the French in a summer vacation, so you can write a letter, that is the enquiry letter, to get more information about that college or any institute or any universities. Okay, and write a letter. So to whom you are writing letter, this enquiry letter? Write a letter to the director of language. Okay, so what is here? Director of a language learning institute. So you are going to write a letter to a director of a language learning of that institute. Okay, then Colaba means Colaba, it is place which is in Mumbai. It is Mumbai, asking him about the various courses affected by the French during the summers. Okay, so if any other courses are available when he or she is going to learn French during the summer vacations, so like that they wanted more information about the course of learning French language. So they are writing to the director of Language Learning Institute, which is in Colaba, Mumbai. Okay, so let's see about the format of this letter, that is enquiry letters. So what is the format? So let's see here. Here is the format is, that is the your address, the sender's address. Okay, the letter who is writing here, your address. So here I told you Samrat. Okay, Samrat, you are a student. Here the address is, you are a resident of Mumbai. Okay, you are studying 10th standard, and here is the address, and you can write your son of. Okay, son of. You can take any names. Okay, I'm just leaving as blank. Okay, that is XYZ. So as your wish. Okay, so then as your wish means here it is important. You can take, I will write some of the name. Sanjeev. Okay, Sanjeev, son of Sanjeev. Okay, so he is living in A46 Marine Drive, Mumbai. A46 Marine Drive, Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai, here is the pin code of Mumbai. Mumbai means the place of a address. Okay, this is the pin code. So here what it is the letter writer's address. Who is writing letter? So it is their address. Letter writer's address. Who are sending address? Okay. Who are sending, who are asking about inquiry, who was writing a letter, their address here is important to write it here. So then is date, 10th April. So after leaving a space, then you write a date. So year, you can mention year when you are writing exam. Okay, then so this is called date. Okay, the date is, here the date appears directly below the address after leaving a line. Okay, so it should be after this address, the letter writer's address, after that leaving a space means leaving a line, then you should continue with the date. Okay, then next is director, the director. So you are writing a letter to a director of a language learning institute. Okay, language learning institute. Language learning institute, Colaba, which is in Mumbai 40005. Okay, so this is the receiver's address, the letter who is receiving. So this is receiver's name with address, name, okay, and rank, and then his or her address. Okay, so like this way you should write the address properly. So the writing address is very important because here it is also carries marks, so it is very important to mention like this way. So when you write letters, don't mention here it is the writer's letter, letter writer's address, then date and receiver's name. So here it is not important, but I am mentioning this. So what is this? Okay, so that's why I am writing here with the arrow mark. But when you are writing letters in exams and when you are practicing, so don't mention all these kinds. Okay, so only thing here it is important, that is writing address with date. Okay, sender address, where is the sender address, who is the receiver address, so that is very important. Okay, so this is the format of beginning means writing here letter. Okay, so after this So what should we follow? The next format here is subject. Okay, after this you should follow the one line, means the same line. So how you start? Okay, the line should come in a proper manner. So here subject is query. Query regarding French class in summer. French class in summer vacation. Summer vacations. So this is a subject. Okay, so it's very important to mention a subject. Okay, query means it's a questions. Okay, so you are asking questions about learning French language, French class. Okay, in summer vacation. So this is, and now is salutation. Dear sir. Dear sir is the salutation. Okay, dear sir is the salutation. And now the matter of the body, means body of the letter. The body of the letter begins here. That is, I am a student. I am a student. I am a student of class 10th. Of class 10th, residing in South Mumbai, residing in South Mumbai, I am interested in learning French. During my summer vacations. During my summer vacations. Starting from April, starting from 25th April, 25th April, okay. So this is the date of starting of summer vacation, okay. Then I would like to start with the beginners course. I would like to start with the beginners course. Beginners course offered by you. Okay, I just wanted to stop here, then I will continue here. Okay, so here is the subject. The subject is what? Query regarding French class in summer vacation. The main purpose of the letter. So what you are writing, the reason you should give in a single sentence. Okay, so this is, and then salutation, dear sir, and then you start. Here is the start. Here is the body of the letter, the main content of the letter. Here it is. Okay, so like this way. And next is I just continue that the last line here by rubbing this one. I hope that there is no doubt with this, because I am rubbing. I don't have a more space to continue to write the whole letter here. Okay. Okay, so here offered beginners course offered by you during during the months of April to June. April to June. Okay? During the months of April to June. Then you follow the next line. Okay? You continue and you just follow the next line. Leave a. Okay, then kindly send me the detailed information. Send me the detailed information fees applicable and any other relevant information I would also like to have the brochure of your institute. You can send the information and brochure by post. Post or at my email. Okay, email addresses. So what is the email address? So you can write it here. Addresses at samrat@gmail.com. Okay. If you add any other kind of information, you can. Okay. So you just continue here. So if you want to ask any other kind of information related to something, you can write down. Okay. Then at last I wanted to write the ending statement here. Okay. So this is, and what is the ending statement of this? Is I look forward for your early response. Okay. So then at last, so this part is called as a body of the letters, and then is the yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. So then Samrat. Okay. So this is signing of greeting and name. So here you should have to sign with the name. Okay. So like this way you are writing a enquiry letter. Okay. So this is the format of enquiry based letter. So then I will give you one of another letter. You should follow this kind of a format and then you write your own one. Okay, so follow the same means the pattern what I have given here. Address, okay, the sender's address and receiver's address and the date, subject, then salutation, and this is the matter, okay, the body of the letter, and at last is ending part of the letter, and then yours sincerely. So but I will give you some of the topic here. You should have to write down. I am just going to rub this. This is for your practice sake, okay? Okay, you just take down, all of you. You are Rajat Kumar, a resident of 79, Sector 4, RK Puram, Delhi, New Delhi, okay? You are Rajat Kumar, a resident of 79, Sector 4, RK Puram, New Delhi, RK Puram, then New Delhi, full stop. You are interested in joining the course in communication skills advertised by the Elite School, okay, Elite School of Language. You are interested in joining the course in communication skills advertised by Elite School Language, South Extension 2nd, write a letter of enquiry for the same. Okay, so write a letter of enquiry for the same. Okay, you are getting information about some of the communication skills program. Okay, so this is then let's move to the placing an order. How you are place an order. You can also write letters, means in enquiry letters you can also write any kind of if you want to ask more information about a product. Okay, there is a new product, it is arrived in the market, so you can ask directly, you can write to the company. Okay, so who is the manager or director of the company, so you can also write a letter to get more information about the product, not only services. So what I have told here, it is about the services. Okay, so if you want to ask more information about a product, so which is present in the market, okay, so if you want to buy, if you want to purchase, and you are a dealer or you are a retailer, so you can ask more information about that product through this kind of a letter format. Okay, so now let's move to the third type of letter, that is the letters for placing an order. Letters and letters of placing an order. Okay. So here, these are the letters which is written when a customer or an organization wants to place an order for product or for goods from another company or organization. Okay, so this kind of a letter, when it is going to use, so when the customer or a product seller or some of the organization, they place an order. Okay, they place an order for getting of a product. Okay, so during that you can write this kind of a letter. So these may also include letters for cancellation and or amendments to order placed as well as acknowledgement of orders placed. Okay, it is also included the letters which is called as a cancellation. Okay, if you want to cancel any kind of product, if you want to placing an order, you can also use this kind of a format. And amendments, okay, if there is any changes in the rules and the conditions and there is a policies which have changed, you can also use this kind of a letter. And acknowledgement of orders placed, so this is a kind of acknowledgement. Okay, this is called a proof that you have placed an order. Okay, so this is a format of writing a letter on the basis of letters of placing an order. Okay, so this is, so let's see the format of this format here. So let's read it. What is the topic here? Write a letter to Highways Sports, Amrapali, Thane, placing an order for sports articles. Okay, for placing an order for sports articles, minimum 4 items, okay, to be supplied to your school. ABC Matriculation School, means ABC means the name of the school. Here it has not given any name of the school, so if you want to write, you can write it. Okay, but here it has not mentioned. Civil Lines Pune, sign as Ravi or Ravina, sports secretary. Okay, so you are the Ravi or Ravina, so you are the sports secretary. So the sports secretary, as a sports secretary, what the equipments, items you are needed. So you are placing an order, okay, to the company or to the factories which are producing that items. Okay, or suppliers, you may also call suppliers. Okay, so let's see here. The format here is the format. First is here the name of the school not given, matriculation, ABC Matriculation School. Matriculation School. Then Civil Lines, Pune 411013. So this is the letter writer's address. Okay. Then next is the date, 11th August 2000. So if you want to write years, then it is okay. Then date. The next is the address here, Light Way. Okay, sorry, it's not Height Way, it's a Light Ways, because I pronounced Height Way, is it? So it is a Lightways Sports, Amrapali, Thane 400203. Okay, next is the subject. Here is the receiver address. Okay, receiver's address. And then the next is subject. So subject here is purchase order for sports articles. Okay, purchase order for sports articles. Okay, articles. So this is called subject. Okay, so here is the format for the placing an order. It's the same, like here is the letter writer's address. Okay, so you are the secretary and you are studying in the which school, you can write it here. but here already given address, so we can't write our own address. Okay, so there is no need to write your address here. So then next is the date, and after that receiver address, so then the subject. Okay, so like this way, and let's see the next step. The next step is salutation. Salutation. Okay, so now let's begin the letter, the main part of the letter, that is the body of the letter. This refers to your quotation number LSA. Okay, so this refers to, so like this way you begin. This refers to your quotation number LSA 23 17 18 dated 4th August to year name. Year here you should mention the year but not fully. Okay, then for various sports item, we are pleased to place an order on you to supply the following items. Following items at the earliest. Here like this we should write the quotation. Okay, I will write in 1 or 2. Okay, the items description. Item description. Okay, item description. The next column is brand. The next column is quantity. The next is rate, and in the bracket you can write each. Okay, and last is amount. Okay, so the first item is football. First item is football. Football with bladder. Okay, so then here brand name Nivea. Quantity 4. How many? 4. Then for each prices rupees 435. 435, and the total amount for this, for 4 rupees, for 4 items, you will 1740. Okay, so this is the price when we count it, okay, for a 4 item. The next is cricket bats. Cricket bats. So how many? So what is the name of the brand? SVG. SVG. Then you need 6 bats, and for each the amount for each bat, that is 750 rupees. So like this you write it, rupees, 750 rupees, and at last the prices, final prices 4,500. Okay, like this. So like this you have to describe about the items, okay, and at last I have written only 2 here, okay. So here you want to add some other items like cricket balls, SVG brand, and then 6 balls you need, and then price for each, that is 170, and then 1020 is the last price. And the next is batting gloves, okay, pairs, which is in pair, batting gloves which is in pairs. So the brand is SVG, then same. The next is quantity, how many? 8, and then for price is 220 for each, and the final is 1760, and the total cost is 9010 when we count it. So it will get a 9010 rupees, okay. So there you write in number and also in words, 9010 rupees, okay. Then this is, and how you will continue this one. Terms of price, all taxes and delivery charges inclusive, okay. So all the taxes and delivery charges is also included. Please send the goods to the school and on any weekdays between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you are requesting like this way. Please send the goods to the school on any weekday between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Payment will be made after the consignment is received and checked by the games department of the school. Okay, department of the school. Further, please ensure the quality of the consignment. If defects are found in the goods, the whole consignment will be returned without any payment. Okay, like this way. If any defects, you will get it when the consignment, when it is reached to you. So you are going to you are going to return those without any payments. Okay, so like this way, and at last you write, yours sincerely, Ravi, Sports Secretary. At last you write your designation, means you are a sports secretary. So there you are write the Ravi, Sports Secretary. Then it is called as a, and also the signature. Okay, signature is also very important. So you should have to write letter with placing an order. Okay, if you are placing an order for a product, so you can use this kind of format. So you should have to describe like this. Okay, about item, about brand, then quantity, rate, price, final amount. The main thing is important here, when you receive the goods, these products, if it is damaged or any things are not, the products are not good one, so you can also returning that product with the without not paying by the payment. Okay, without paying any amount, so you are returning it. So that one is also writing here. Okay, so like this way. Okay, so this is about the 3 letters format we have seen till now. So that is one is complaint letters, then is the inquiry letter, and the last and the third one is place of what is called, letters of placing an order. Letters of placing an order. So this is the 3 types of letters we had seen. So the next part which is remaining, that is letters to the editor. Okay, so I will give you in the next class letters to the editor. We will continue in the next class with the letter and one of the topic for you for a practice round based on this. Okay, I will give you in the next class. So I hope that you all are understood it and practice that inquiry letter. Okay, practice for that. So you also practice for complaint letters. So this is also helpful for you. So the main thing you are is work. Okay, you should have to work at home. So we will meet you in the next class with another letter format. Okay, so till then all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.